Now, if you are a beginner in oud oils, I would always suggest that for a newbies or starter in oud oils, start sniffing Borneo oud oils or Thai oud oils. Thai oud oils are very sweet. For me, later in like 1 or 2 years later, sniffing oud oils, I don't like most of the general Thai oud oils that are very fruity. But for me, the Borneo region is very mysterious. It is light, it is sweet, it is airy, it is perfect. Okay, so today I have an oud oil called Borneo 2000 from Ensar Oud, and I am going to be happy to share my thoughts on that. So let's sniff this one, Borneo 2000, and it was distilled in 2019. It is pretty old oud oil. So I'm going to take very little amount because it was gifted to me from one of my friends. Thanks for sending me these because I won't be able to review these without your help. Ooh, it is sweet, it is airy, it is very, very light, delicate kind of smell. Oh, there is a very, very lovely Indonesian or herbal uplifting kind of scent in there that is hidden. It is evolving. Oh, this is really, really beautiful. So I would say if you want to start your journey oud oil, start with this sample or this Borneo 2000. This is a must-have oud oil in your collection. If you are a oud oil collector, there are people, they have good money and they can, collect oud oils. I think this is the one you should get. It is more closer to one of the oud oils I sniffed from Imperial Oud, which is Bakaria, or it was an Indonesian oud oil, but its power is a bit more. That one was very, very less powerful. It smells, actually, it was very, very lovely oud oil, but it smells mostly, evaporates after like applying it 30 minutes. So this one is really, really great. So Borneo 2000, airy, light, sweet, light, mellow, fresh, herbal. It is like green herbal. It is not like spicy herbal. It is green herbal, more greenness in it, more jungly or forest kind of vibe to it. Very airy, uplifting kind of scent. So this is my review about Borneo 2000. It was distilled in 2019. Whenever you sniff an oud oil, always take a very, very long breath. So I normally keep my hand in the middle of my nose over here and keep sniffing. It will reveal a lot of different scent profiles in this oud mystery. It is very similar to Indonesian oud oil, and it is very, very light, delicate kind of oud oil. So this is my review about Borneo 2000. I am not too much amazed because it is a very, very lovely scent profile, because I have sniffed it before in another oud oil from another distiller. So if you want to buy or start your journey, I would suggest that Borneo 2000 is the perfect fit for you. Try with a sample first, because I don't want you to waste your money. Try 0.53 ml sample and start from there, and that would be your journey. This Borneo oud oil, if you are a newbie or beginner to oud oils, it is going to change your view about oud oils or oud world. Okay, so that is all from me. I am Mohammed Hassan from Scent Explorer. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.